Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love. I'm really appreciate that. So this is your general reading for the month of May. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, so while doing your meditation also, I was getting the card of renewal. Okay, so you are going through with lot of challenges and now you're getting some kind of renewal in your life. Maybe renewal in career, renewal in love, but some renewal is happening in your life and you're getting over all the challenges. So in the month of, maybe in your money. Okay, so you're getting some kind of renewal, which I can see. You're getting ascended and some kind of wish fulfillment is coming true for you. Okay, celebrations and wish fulfillment is coming true. There is a wish which is going to come true for you in the month of May. That's the message which I was getting through meditation. Okay, so now let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages. For those who have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for the month of May 2021. Please help me out, guides, gods, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please give me the messages for Aquarius May 2021 which I need to deliver, which is important for them. What are the messages? And I don't read reversals. Okay, Aquarius. And gender is not gender is not specific here. This is beautiful reading, I can say that. Why I am saying that? Okay, so now you are going to get your good karma. Okay, your karma is going to pay off in the month of May. Okay, I was just shuffling these cards and I was looking towards my mirror window. Okay, and I saw two pigeons sitting over there. Okay, there was two pigeons which was sitting over there and I got these cards. Okay, so you are going to get the renewal in your love life. That's the message which I'm getting. Many of you are going to get the renewal in your love life. Why I'm saying that? Can you see the reunions? Many of you are going to get reunion with your twin flame, with your divine counterpart, with your yin yang here. Can you see? This is very beautiful reading, I can say that. And today's energy was very beautiful. While doing the meditation also, I was getting beautiful messages. Can you see in this deck also, bottom of the deck, I'm having the marriage card here. And here also I'm getting the marriage. So many of you are going to get married. Okay, you are already married to with your twin flame, with your divine counterpart, with your yin yang. And if you have not married yet, then soon in this month of May you are going to get married. Okay, the marriage proposal is coming towards you, Aquarius, with from your twin flame, from your yin yang here in the month of May. Here many of you are going to get your reunion. Your good karma is going to pay off. 0404 was the recording reading time. One more message for Aquarius from this deck. Please give me one more message which I need to deliver. Health. Okay, so if health and bottom of the deck I'm having money. So yes, lot of blessings are coming towards you, Aquarius, in the month of May, in terms of career, in terms of health, in terms of love. Okay, if you are going through with bad health, so now your health is going to improve in the month of May. Okay, beautiful. This is very beautiful. Health is going to improve for you, Aquarius, in the month of May. Okay, that's the message I'm getting here. Let's see what are the messages from the work your light. This is beautiful. You're going to get your marriage proposal. Okay, and let me know in the comment sections who are those Aquarius who are going to get reunion with their twin flame, with their soul, not soulmate. Maybe that's a possibility of soulmate. That's why I got the message of soulmate. But I'm going to and what I can see from these cards is the yin yang, the twin flame. Okay, the twin flame, the yin yang. You're going to get reunited with your twin flame here in the month of May. So the first message for you is trust your path. If you know you would be supported, what would you be do? Okay, if you know you are supported, what you would be do? You need to support, you need to trust, Aquarius, you need to trust your path and move in a forward direction. Let's see more messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? And you are supported by the divine, by the angels, by the universe. Okay, so you need to trust your, too many messages. Okay, this wants to come out again. Break the chain, ancestral patterns, healing, rewriting the future. So you are doing your ancestral, okay, healing. Maybe some of you are doing ancestral healing. You are breaking the patterns which are coming from, that's why the reunion is happening here, because you are rewriting your future by doing the healing. Okay, by doing your healing of ancestral patterns, and you're breaking the chain, you're breaking the patterns here. Yeah, sorry, my son was there at the door. So yeah, so yes, you need to trust your path here, Aquarius. Trust your path, and you are exactly where you need to be. That's the message I am getting. You are on a right path, Aquarius. Okay, don't worry at all, you are on a right path. You are exactly where you need to be, because you and if you're thinking, then you have to think one more thing, Aquarius, that you have to break the chain. If there is some kind of ancestral patterns, or if there is some kind of healing which you require, then do it and rewrite your future. But what I can see here from the cards is that you are already breaking the chain here. Can you see? Dance with life, do something to change with your energy. Answer the call. What is your soul trying to call you? What is your soul calling you to do? Okay, there is a calling which is happening for you, Aquarius. Okay, and try to do that. Try to do what your soul is trying to do that. Okay, and there is mirror, who, and this wants to come out and it doesn't come out. Okay, this is mirror, who and what is triggering you. There is something which is triggering you. If it is something which is triggering you, and what is that which is triggering you? That can be your twin flame. Okay, maybe you are mirroring your twin flame. That can be a possibility here. Okay, but if it is not your twin flame, then you know better. There is something which is triggering you. You have to work on that. Okay, let me see one more message. Akasha, your guidance is divinely guided, and there is high priestess. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. You need to trust your divine path. You need to trust, because you are at the right path, and your life, your things are being divinely guided. Okay, your guidance is being divinely guided. Okay, so this is beautiful. Please give me one more message. You are the keepers of the earth. You are not alone. Ancient ancestors stand beside you. Okay, so you are not alone, Aquarius. Okay, you are not alone. You have the blessings of the ancestors. I told you this few minutes back only, that you are not alone. Okay, you are having the blessings of the divine, the angels, the ancestors of you. Can you see? You are not alone, because you are the keepers of the earth. Okay, you are here. Many of you Aquarius are here on this planet Earth to spread light. Okay, so you are not alone, Aquarius. Okay, you are not alone. This is beautiful. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from Light Worker Oracle deck, the Star Seed Oracle, sorry. Okay, many of you are the light workers and the star seeds. You are here on this planet Earth, okay, to spread light, peace and harmony. You are the keepers of the earth, basically. Can you see? You are the keepers of the earth. So you are not alone at all. There is something which is triggering you, find out what it is, okay? And you need to answer your calling. There is soul calling which is happening for you, and you have to break the chain and trust that you are on a right path, okay? Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver for Aquarius for this reading. See, I told you this, that many of you are the light workers and the star seeds both, okay? And this cards come many of times in your reading, that you are having a double mission on this planet Earth. You are the light workers, you are the star seeds here, okay? Serve the world by being you. You are the keepers of the earth here, okay? Share your voice, share your soul, do your soul calling, okay? Answer the call and do your soul calling. There is soul calling which is happening for you, Aquarius. You are here on this planet Earth to serve the world, okay? Serve the world by being you. You are having a double mission. That's what I was saying you here. Then there is star ancestors, hidden secrets, lost wisdom. Look a little deeper here. This is beautiful. I need to read it out. Okay, so there is lot of hidden secrets which are there for you, Aquarius, inside your soul here. The ancient knows much more than we do our connection with stars. Their pyramids, temples, and other places of worship created in precise alignment with the star exist in all corners of the world. What if this ancient wisdom is available for you to uncover now? Now, you are being called to think and listen with your ancient heart and soul, to tap into the part of you that remembers and knows. All ancient secrets are whispered forever in your ears. All mystic knowing blooms in your heart. All potent power pumps through your veins. You are being invited to step into your ancient knowingness, to be held by the rememberings of the star ancestors, to look into a little deeper. If you're feeling stuck, you are being called to do something different, to change your point of view. Creativity happens when we put together two things that don't belong, when we do the unexpected. So often a creative solution is the right in front of us, but because we think the same thoughts and act the same way, we miss what's the open. You are here to remember and uncover ancient secrets and transmissions, technology and wisdom that are so needed on this planet right now, to unlock your soul memories of a time when we lived in the harmony on earth. One day will again. So this is beautiful message here, Aquarius. This is beautiful, I can say that. Let's see 3 more messages for Aquarius. 2 more messages which I need to deliver. Your reading is always very beautiful. Please give me one more message. You need to think big picture thinking here. Bottom of the deck I'm having Pleiadian energy, visionary inspired ideas. Many of you are the Andromedan energy and the Pleiadian energy, okay? These are the kind of star seeds, okay? That's what I know. I don't know much about these energies, but I know that these are the 2 kinds of star seeds, okay? So yes, this is big picture thinking. Pleiadian energy, whisper. So many of you are having Pleiadian, maybe you are a Pleiadian star seed, maybe you are Andromedan star seed. That can be a possibility. You just need to say yes to the change and jump into, okay? Not this card, sorry. Where is that? Where is the card? Yeah, this is. So you need to just say yes and see the big picture here. Can you see? Just need to say yes and see the big picture thinking, okay? There is a messenger, Sirius energy, bringing harmony and balance. So this is beautiful. Harmony and balance is coming for you here. And there is lost land, soul memory and gifts. You have done this before, okay? This is not the first time when you're doing it. You have done this before. There is soul gifts and memories which you are having inside of you. So beautiful messages. Let's see messages from this deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Two more. One more messages. I told you a lot of blessings are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, in the month of May. Please give me one more message. Bottom of the deck, I'm having grounding. Grounding is you need to go within yourself. Okay, go deep and explore your roots. That's the message I'm getting here. This is vast vistas. Expand your horizon. You need to expand your horizons here. There is a lot of miracles. Okay, expect the wondrous to emerge. Okay, believe in the magic, believe in the miracles. Lot of miracles are going to happen in the month of May for you, Aquarius. Okay, there is, see, and this is beginning a new cycle. You are beginning a new cycles. First light, you are ending old cycles and you're beginning a new cycle here. Blessings are showering your life, rainbow blessings. I told you lot of beautiful blessings are coming for you in the month of May. Okay, so lot of blessings are coming for you here. There is believe in magic, journey by the moonlight. So you need to believe in magic here. Lot of miracles and magic is going to happen in the month of May for you. There is distant thunder, clean the air. You need to clean the air here. Can you see? So you need to clean your air. That means you need to focus on the positive thoughts and keep moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. You are exactly where you need to be. That's the message which I am getting here for you. So let's see more messages. From the colors. Okay. What is the message? Give me one message for Aquarius, May 2021. Turquoise, awaken your empathy. So you can use this color of turquoise, okay, to awaken your empathy. That's the message I'm getting here. Let's add one message from unicorns. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Okay. Aspiration, you are unlimited, Aquarius. So you need to aim for stars. Okay, aim for stars here. That's the message I'm getting. Let's see what are the message from Scare Destiny. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the message which I need to deliver. Trust. Okay, so you need to trust in the divine. Trust, I told you, trust in the divine, trust in the divine plan, trust your path. You are exactly where you need to be. Okay, so you need to keep your trust, have faith in the divine, and your guidance is divinely guided. That's the message, same message which I'm getting here for you. So trust. Okay, thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from divine abundance. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Ease. This was the card which I was seeing while meditation also. It's easy for me to receive. It's easy for me to receive. It's easy for me to receive. Ease. That's the thing which you need to say to yourself again and again. Okay, you can say it and use it as an affirmation for you. So this is beautiful. I can say that. Let's see what are the messages from the guides. Okay, what are the messages you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Please give me messages. Two more messages. No. Two more messages. Okay, one more message. Beautiful. Okay. So you are having purpose mastered. teacher here. You have to work on your soul purpose, and many of you have started on your soul purpose. So this is beautiful, and because of that your balance is coming in your life. Okay, the balance is coming in your life because you have now focused on your creativity, you have focused on your purpose, and you are being devoted. Devotion is here. So now you are paying devotion to the universe, paying devotion to your soul purpose here. That's why the balance is coming in your life here. You are balanced here, Aquarius. Many of you are now in a balanced state of energy here. There is business and there is unconditional love, Divine Mother here. Yes, you are giving unconditional love to all those who are there in near ones or in around yourself. That's why this is unconditional love which you are giving, and that's what you are receiving in return by the karma card, because you are giving the unconditional love to everyone around you. That's why you are getting back that here. This is a business card here. So if you are this is the card which tells me money, profits, bargaining, negotiating. So if you are in a business, if you're doing any kind of business, so you are going to receive profits. Okay, if you are going to receive a lot of money in that area. Okay, that's the message I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from the butterfly. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Okay, I got two. So grief work is here, and there is, you are more stronger than you think. Okay, you are stronger than you think. If you're going through with any kind of grief, if you're grieving on something, you should know one thing, Aquarius, that you are much stronger than you think. Okay, so that's the message which I am getting for you. Let's add one or two message from the star seeds. Okay, what is the message? Intuition, and there is creation. Being creative is a wonderful way of witnessing and unfolding of your limitless creative soul. I told you, you are working on your creative side, and that's beautiful, because once you start doing, once you start working on your creative sides, that will unfold your beautiful things inside of your soul. And there is intuition. Trust your intuition. It has been guiding you to the answers that you seek. This is very beautiful, Aquarius. Okay, your intuition, you have to listen to your intuition, and you are listening to your intuition. If you are not listening, that you have to listen to your intuition and trust your intuition. Okay, because it is guiding you to the answers that you seek. This is beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Let's see one message from the scared creators. One message for Aquarius. Celebrate your wins, lead your metamorphosis, and bottom of the deck is rise. You are rising, Aquarius. That's what I was telling you, ascension. You are rising, and you need to celebrate your wins. Lead your metamorphosis, you becoming the butterfly basically, and you need to celebrate your transformation, your ascension, your wins, whatever wins are coming. If so in your life, you need to celebrate that. This is beautiful. Let's add one message from the Archangel. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Please give me one message. Archangel Premelink. Be consciousness, cooperate with others for the highest good. And can you see in this picture also, there is butterfly here. There are two butterflies. There are dragonfly, there is honey bee, there is flower. So you need to cooperate with others for the highest good. Okay, maybe your heart chakra is opening up here. So this is beautiful message which I'm getting here. Let's add one message from the deep healing cards for Aquarius. Please give me one message. Learn and grow from the wisdom of your feelings by allowing yourself to be friend rather than to deny them. Okay, So you need to learn from your feelings, whatever you feel, rather than to deny them. So this is beautiful. And let's see what is the message from the divine doors. Please give me one message. Yes. And bottom of the deck again, I'm having trust the universe. 1111 1111 was the recording reading time, because I was stopped the video, so now the time was 1111. You need to trust. Okay, this is the same message again and again coming for you. You need to trust the universe. You are exactly where you have to be, Aquarius. Intuition has wandered and led you astray. The timing not yours, but the universe is at play. Have faith and breathe. Okay, trust the universe. And there is yes. So if you are finding out any yes or no on a specific way, so there is a yes. That kiss the ground and touch the sky. Your soul is set now to leap and to fly. So take a leap of faith. 1155 was the recording reading time. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction here. This is beautiful. So that was the message which I was getting. Let's see message from the tea leaves also. One message. Okay, two message. I always get two message. I don't know why, but two message I got for you. Okay. So this is cobweb and there is caterpillar. Things will not always be like this way. A change is coming for you. Okay, so things are not going to be like this way. Whatever things you are dealing with right now, a change is coming for you. And there is cobweb, protected from negative forces beyond your control. This is beautiful. So you are being protected by the divine here. Let's see one message from tea leaves again. One message for Aquarius. Again, see two message. I got two message. There is desk. Pay attention to your work here. Okay, you need to pay attention to your work. And there is man dealings or relationship with a man here. So you are going to meet a man and you're going to deal with some kind of man, maybe in your career. That can be a possibility here. Okay, so this was the message which I was getting for you. Let's add one message from secret language of light, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Inner voice and channeling. Okay, so you need to listen to your inner voice, Aquarius. Okay, listen to your inner voice, listen to the voice of your soul, the intuition, because that is guiding you rightly. And there is a lot of channeling which is happening from the universe, so listen to that. Listen to the guidance of the universe. That's the message I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one or two message from fortune cookies. So there is declutter and there is opportunities. A stranger is about to change your life. Exciting times and plenty of actions, plus a special family reunion looks like this. See, again, reunion is going to happen with you in your life in the month of May, Aquarius. This is beautiful. And there is declutter your life. Let go of correspondence of objects and people you no longer want. Someone will hurt your feelings and reveal a new side of themselves that you may wish to avoid. Okay, so if there is someone around you who don't serve your highest good, it's better to let them go, okay, as soon as possible. So that was your reading, and that was the messages which I was getting for you for the month of May 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and light to all of you who is watching my video. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.